I came to know about digital color. I gained lot of knowledges other than social media marketing in automations. We put a first video. It went around 1 million views, and one video got around 10 million views.
Wow.
Yeah, we earned around 65,000.
So all your learnings put to good
Yeah,
use.
yeah.
Growth of followers,
Yeah.
revenue generated,
Yeah.
got a job as
Yeah.
well, and you did all that in just 2-3 months time.
Yes.
So Vijay, what do you do?
Yeah, currently I was doing digital marketing and digital scholar. My name is Vijay. I was doing social media marketing before joining Digital Scholar, and I seen most of the ads, and I followed Sarojan for few 2 years before. So one day, I came to know about you from Sarojan's account, and I came to know about Digital Scholar, and I want to, like, it's some of my favorite bucket list. I want to do some course in Digital Scholar. So finally, I was joining in online batch uh, in starting, but I feel like if I'm going to directly in offline batch, it will be more getting more knowledges and getting people networking and sometimes something. So I joined. I converted into offline batch, and today it's here. It's almost 4 months completed.
Amazing.
It's a final day.
So, how was your experience in terms of the learnings that you've had? Was it? I mean, how did you feel about it?
Yeah, it was great, and I gained lot of knowledges other than social media marketing. I was I think first digital marketing was only about the social media marketing, and it all changed after joining Digital Scholar. I learned lot about PPC ads, and I got knowledge in automations. That was a great learning here in automations. In before, I was like, if someone say put a link in chatbot, and if some messages came, I was thinking like, okay, the peoples are going to directly send messages. But after learning automations, so I know there's a tool. It called some chatbots. So it directly messages us. So that's a great learning in automations class. And also I learned about WhatsApp marketing. It was also a great opportunity to learn here Digital Scholar. And
So you had couple of wins throughout the course, right? You were offered your first job or
Yeah.
maybe your next job.
Yeah.
So you got an offer during the course,
Yeah,
probably in just 1.5 months.
yeah.
And also you helped somebody to scale their business also.
Yeah.
Would you like to share your experience?
Yeah, sure. I was doing social media presentation. On that day, you was like, I don't know, you are amazed in that presentation. And I said, like, I want to work in EcoVME. So you arranged an interview, and I cracked the interview and joined almost 2 months, 1 month back. So I was grateful for that opportunity. And again, I was doing, I have a batchmate, she has a clay modeling business. So I was helping her. Before I was starting, her account was like 2000 followers. So I did some marketing research because she's lack in video productions. So I was thinking like, oh, it was a process kind of video. So I approached her, and I said, okay, we can grow this brand. So it all started here. We put a first video. It went around 1 million views.
Wow.
So it was like, before that I know about social media marketing, but after coming here, I learned depth about that, how we should implement each video and put it in Instagram. So that helped me to post that video, and it got 1 million. And currently we got around 32k followers in that account.
Wow.
And 3 of our videos went around 2-3 millions.
Amazing.
And one video got around 10 million views.
Wow.
Yeah, that's it. Like,
And
we
you
also
made some
did,
revenues as well, right?
we worked as a partnership for that particular brand. So we conducted workshops. So the first workshop was a very big hit. We never expected that. Almost we earned around 65,000.
Wow.
So that's a great
Amazing,
Yeah.
amazing. So all your learnings put to good
Yeah,
use.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Growth of followers,
yeah,
revenue generated,
yeah,
got a job as well,
yeah.
and you did all that in just 2-3 months
Yes,
time.
yes, yes.
Amazing.
That's great. Also, I build lot of networking here, and other than this, I was working in Vijay. That was also our batchmate. Uh, her name is Deepa.
Mm.
So she has an NGO.
Mm.
So for that NGO also, I was doing some kind of uh, video
Yeah.
video and social media marketing. That's also a great opportunity,
Yeah.
because if I never come to digital color, these things will never happens, because most of the peoples are like business people. So if we have some skills, we can connect with them and do some awesome works.
So you make your money back whatever you invested in digital
Yeah,
scholar?
I almost I did.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
Right, probably more as
Yeah.
well. Yeah, awesome. That's amazing, Vijay, and thank you so much
Yeah,
for
thank you.
joining us. And
Yeah.
I wish you all the best in whatever you do.
Yeah, I also want to thank you and the team Digital Scholar and also Sarojan. And yeah, I was hope looking forward to how what it goes like. But I got a more confident before coming here. I was like, okay, we are nothing, just learning. Like in before, I was like digital marketing is a field. I can't say someone, oh, okay, I was doing digital scholar, sorry, digital marketing. Before I was saying like I was working in an IT. I got no confidence to open up. I was doing digital marketing. So some people will think he's wasting the time. But coming here, I get lot of confidence. Okay, we are doing something big for future. So that's
Amazing,
it. Yeah.
amazing, amazing. Thank you so much,
Thank
Vijay.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
This
Thank
was
you.
amazing. Thank you.